711Proxy is a Hong Kong-based proxy provider that has gained popularity by focusing on residential proxies with flexible pricing options. But how reliable is the actual performance of its IPs? Are they really worth considering? In this video, IPFighter takes a hands-on look at 711Proxy to see whether it's the right proxy provider for your needs. 711Proxy operates a network of over 100 million residential IPs across 200-plus countries and regions, supporting a wide range of use cases such as AI training, e-commerce, data scraping, and more. The platform supports both HTTPS and SOX5 protocols, with authentication via username, password, or IP whitelisting. It also offers both sticky sessions and rotating sessions to accommodate different use cases. According to 711Proxy, its network refreshes with over 6 million IPs daily, adds more than 69,000 new IPs each day, delivers approximately 99.9% uptime, and maintains an average response time of under 0.3 seconds. In addition to its standard proxy dashboard, 711Proxy also provides an API and an enterprise dashboard for users who need to manage large proxy pools or integrate proxy services into their own systems. 711Proxy currently offers 5 main residential proxy products, designed to meet a variety of use cases. The first is residential proxies, bandwidth-based, featuring a pool of over 100 million IPs. This service supports both sticky and rotating sessions, allows country-level targeting, and is claimed by the provider to achieve a 99.7% success rate. It is well suited for tasks such as web scraping, automation, and account management. Next is residential proxies, IP-based. Instead of charging based on bandwidth usage, this plan is priced according to the number of IPs purchased. Each IP can typically be used continuously for around 6 hours, making it a good choice for tasks that require a stable IP for a limited period. For users who need unlimited traffic, unlimited residential proxies provide unmetered bandwidth. The service supports both HTTPS and SOX5, offers time-based IP rotation, and can be used globally. The SOX5 proxy service features a continuously updated IP pool with support for both sticky and rotating sessions. Users are not charged for unused IPs, and an IP can be reused within 24 hours as long as it remains online. Finally, dedicated static residential proxies provide fixed residential IPs from more than 30 countries. They offer unlimited bandwidth, stable performance, and are ideal for use cases that require the same IP address over an extended period. In terms of pricing, the bandwidth-based residential proxies start at around $5.99 for 5 GB, which is roughly $1.20 per gigabyte. The cost per GB becomes even lower when purchasing larger plans or enterprise packages. For IP-based residential proxies, pricing starts at approximately $4.99 for 50 IPs, or about 10 cents per IP. Enterprise plans can reduce the price to around $0.045 per IP when ordered in large quantities. Unlimited residential proxies offer both port-based and bandwidth-based options. Users can start from $15 per hour for bandwidth plans or around $1 per port, with more competitive pricing available for larger-scale deployments. Dedicated static residential proxies currently start at about $3.50 per IP for North America, around $5.90 per IP for Asia, and various pricing options are also available for Europe, South America, Oceania, and Africa. Meanwhile, SOX5 proxies start at approximately $30 for 100 IPs with a 15-day validity period and $54 for 30 days, with multiple package sizes designed for different usage levels. Overall, 711Proxy offers fairly competitive pricing, especially for users who need larger-scale deployments, where the enterprise plans can provide very attractive costs per IP or per GB. Regarding refunds, 711Proxy does not currently provide refunds for residential, unlimited residential, SOX5, or static residential products once an order has been created or the proxy service has been used. For that reason, it is recommended to choose the most suitable package before completing payment. If you want to save even more when purchasing proxies from 711Proxy, don't forget to visit the Coupons Partners section on IPFighter to check for available discount codes before checkout. 711Proxy supports a variety of payment methods, including cryptocurrency, Alipay, UnionPay, alternative payment methods, and PayPal, making it convenient for users from different countries and regions to complete their purchases. How do you purchase and generate a proxy with 711Proxy? First, visit the 711Proxy website and either create an account or sign in. Since IPFighter already has an account, we'll simply log in by entering the email address and password. After signing in successfully, you'll be redirected to the 711Proxy dashboard, where you can view your account information, available proxy plans, and other programs offered by 711Proxy. To purchase a proxy, you can do it directly from the dashboard. In this example, IPFighter selects the residential proxy, bandwidth-based, plan and chooses the 40 GB package for $56, which works out to about $1.40 per gigabyte. At checkout, choose your preferred payment method. Before completing your purchase, don't forget to visit IPFighter.com to claim the exclusive discount coupon. Simply follow the on-screen steps shown in this video to obtain your coupon code. As you can see, the 40 GB residential proxy plan is discounted from $56 to just $30.80, saving $25.20 with the 45% discount coupon from IPFighter. Using IPFighter's coupon can help you save a significant amount, especially if you're purchasing proxies at scale. Once your purchase is complete, let's see how to configure and generate your proxy. First, open the Proxies section. Here you'll find all the proxy products you've purchased. Since we've purchased the residential proxy, bandwidth-based, plan, we'll open that product. In today's video, we'll focus specifically on configuring and generating proxies for this residential proxy, bandwidth-based, plan. Under Proxy Setup, you'll see information about your subscription, such as your remaining bandwidth. To generate a proxy, you'll need to configure the options below. First, choose an authentication method. You can authenticate using either username, password, or the API. If you choose the API method, you'll need to whitelist the IP addresses that are allowed to access your proxy service. If you need detailed instructions, simply click User Guide to view 711Proxy's official documentation. In this tutorial, however, IPFighter will use the username password authentication method. Next, select the country or region for your desired proxy, or leave it set to a random location. For this example, IPFighter selects Japan as the country and Tokyo as the city. Then, choose a subuser, which is the account that will be authorized to use your proxy. If you haven't created one yet, simply click Manage Subusers to create a new subuser. If you prefer to generate proxies based on a specific ASN, you can select it here, and the system will automatically assign a proxy from that ASN. Here, you'll find the username and password for the selected subuser. These are the credentials you'll use to authenticate and access your proxy. Next, choose the session type for your proxy. Rotating automatically assigns a new IP address after each request sent through the proxy. Sticky keeps the same IP address for up to 180 minutes. In this example, I'll choose Sticky with a 60-minute session. There's also a Change IP in Advance option. When enabled, the system will automatically switch to a new IP before the current one expires, based on its actual availability. The Testing Command section provides a sample curl command that you can copy and run in your command line terminal to quickly verify that your proxy configuration is working correctly. Finally, on the right-hand side is the most important section, Get Proxy List. Here, you'll choose the output format and the number of proxies you want to generate. IPFighter selects the hostname, port, username, password format and generates one proxy. Simply click Generate, and the system will create your proxy. The generated proxy details will appear in the proxy list based on the settings you've configured. From there, you can either copy the proxy directly for immediate use or download the list as a TXT or CSV file for later use. After successfully generating the proxy, IPFighter will test the quality of the proxy obtained from 711Proxy. First, I'll add the proxy to the IPFighter Proxy Manager extension on Chrome for a quick quality check. If you're not familiar with the IPFighter Proxy Manager extension, you can click the video link in the top right corner of the screen or find the tutorial linked in the video description. Once the proxy is connected successfully, I'll head over to IPFighter.com to evaluate its real-world quality. As you can see, the IP address has been successfully changed to a 711Proxy IP. According to IPFighter's evaluation, this IP scores 87 out of 100, indicating a solid trust level that's suitable for many common use cases. Looking at the detailed reputation scores across major platforms, the IP performs well, scoring 87% on TikTok, 84% on Facebook, and 82% on Amazon. Google scores slightly lower at 74%, but it's still acceptable for many everyday tasks. As for the IP information, the system correctly identifies both the country and ISP as being in Japan. However, the detected city is Shizuoka instead of the Tokyo location we selected. This kind of discrepancy is normal, as geolocation databases can vary between different services. Another positive sign is that IPFighter reports no under the proxy detection field, meaning it does not detect this connection as a proxy. This suggests the IP appears more natural and may reduce the likelihood of being flagged by certain online platforms. Besides checking the IP's trust score, I'll also test its real-world network performance using speed test. The results show a download speed of approximately 58.89 megabits per second and an upload speed of around 37.32 megabits per second. These speeds are quite good and should comfortably handle tasks such as web browsing, account management, medium-scale web scraping, and many other online activities. However, the ping is around 724 milliseconds, which is relatively high compared to a typical internet connection. As a result, workloads that require low latency or real-time responsiveness may not deliver the best experience. Of course, this result is based on a single IP randomly selected from the residential proxy, GB-based, plan during our testing. Actual performance can vary depending on the specific IP, geographic location, and the time of use. If you have more specialized requirements, you can also consider the other proxy products offered by 711Proxy to better match your specific use case. Overall, 711Proxy is a solid option if you're looking for a residential proxy provider with flexible pricing models, a large IP pool, and a wide range of proxy solutions for different use cases. Based on our hands-on testing, 711Proxy delivered stable IP rotation, a good trust score when evaluated on IPFighter, and decent connection speeds. That said, actual performance will always depend on the specific IP, geographic location, and the type of proxy you choose. If you'd like to check the quality of an IP or proxy before using it, don't forget to visit IPFighter.com to analyze IP quality and access many other useful network and proxy testing tools. In addition, with the goal of improving the overall experience for the community, IPFighter is always open to collaborating with partners to bring users the best possible proxy options. If you're a proxy provider looking to partner with us and introduce your products or services to a wider audience, feel free to contact IPFighter through the following channels: Telegram at ipfighter_partnership or email support@ipfighter.com. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe to the IPFighter YouTube channel so you won't miss future reviews, tutorials, and proxy-related guides. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you again in the next videos.